Some scientists say that fetuses support evolution. This is a 100% lie and is not based on any empirical scientific data. There's a study called Embryology, or it's the study of aborted fetuses. This is where the problem with the science lies. Aborted fetuses are required to study embryology, so of course the findings are going to be pro-evolution and anti-God. The only way someone can study aborted fetuses is to abort fetuses. Nobody loves to get or give abortions more than atheists and evolutionists. This is why 95% of embryologists are actually atheists, and the other 5% are Muslims. Here's how fake the results are. The real embryology says that fetuses are all the same, and then after we're born, a human starts to look like a human, or a mouse starts to look like a mouse, or a dog starts to look like a dog. This is a bunch of crap. I've worked at pregnancy resource centers where they give out little rubber replica fetuses, and I can tell you, human fetuses look just like humans very early on. So if embryology is disproven that easily, how come scientists still practice it, you might ask? Well, let me tell you. Embryologists abort the babies right after the parents have sex. So at that point, they don't look like a baby. They only look like a cluster of cells. This is the same for animals too. So what they do is they try to trick you, and they abort many different animals at the same time, like very early on in the pregnancy, and they all look like clusters of cells, and humans too. And then they say, what? This frog fetus looks like a cluster of cells, this bird fetus looks like a cluster of cells, this monkey fetus looks like a cluster of cells, and this human fetus looks like a cluster of cells. So obviously, humans must be animals, which is total lie, crap logic, the stupidest thing I've ever heard. But here's what they do, even later than that, and try to push it, and it's even stupider. Later on, what they do is they let a monkey fetus grow a little bit farther, human fetus grow a little bit farther, a frog fetus grow a little bit farther, and a bird fetus grow a little bit farther. And then they abort them all, and then they compare them, and they say, huh, the monkey looks more like a human fetus than the bird fetus does, or the frog fetus does. So obviously, monkeys must have evolved into humans, and is closer related to humans than birds or frogs. That's the stupidest thing I've ever heard. Here's a real common sense answer for you. Monkeys look more like humans than birds or frogs. So, of course, the fetuses are going to look more similar. Duh. Rate, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.